just received my box in the mail from Nurture Soap Supplies, and I wanted to do an unboxing. This is as far as I've made it with the box. This was the soap I made for the January Soap Club Challenge that was hanger swirls, and I went with flowers, and this is Alice's Afternoon. I received 3rd place in the experience category for the soap, and Nurture Soap Supplies was the sponsor for that month, and I finally used my gift certificate. So let's see what I got. I kind of don't remember because I did some shopping that day, and a lot of life has happened between now and then. It's summer, it's busy. Oh, I got Micas and I got fragrances. Big surprise there. I love fragrances from them. They're amazing. Ooh. Look at it. Ooh, that's pretty. This is a freebie. Got Jam Session Mica. That is a really lovely one. And there's a little sticker says, I don't care how good the soap smells. You should never walk out of the bathroom smelling your fingers. That's fun. Thank you guys. All right, Micas. I got a bunch of new ones. Oh man, these were sample packs. So they do have sample packs because I was looking at them like, I don't know which one to get. Now I'm opening, I remember what I got. So this was the Epic Colors sample set. Those are bright. Wow. That's Eye of the Tiger, Force of Nature, Full Throttle, Material Girl, Trial by Fire. I'm excited to try this one because everybody recommends the Trial by Fire by them. It's supposed to be the best red. Queen for a Day and Making Waves. Those are great colors. And then this one was the Feelin' Groovy sample set. I think these sample sets are the best way to try out a variety of different colors and in different applications. Cheshire Cat, Electric Orange, which I do have that one, and it works well. Enchantment, that's pretty. Klein Blue, Siren Song, Queen of Hearts, Love and Sunshine. I'm really excited to try the yellows because yellows are kind of hard to get a good yellow that's not like too soft, at least from what I've tried. Oh, and this one is the Vibrance, which I actually do have some of the Vibrance ones. Pink Vibrance, Orange, Green, I know I have the green, Blue, Purple, Red, I know I have that one, and then Yellow. And then I got some bigger bottles, containers of mica. Here is a mocha. That's big. So this is a 1 ounce jar. I didn't think it'd be that big. That's a huge jar. I feel kind of silly. But this will last a long time. And then I got Laurel Green. All right, now the fragrance oils. So I ordered 7. Go ahead and just take them out and get the box out of the way. I got a good haul here. They were having a sale too, so some of these I have used before, which I think most of them. So Coconut Lime Verbena, I've used this before. It smells amazing and it works really well. Smells so good. Oh gosh, it was 3-4 years ago. I bought like 60 sample sizes for my birthday and I tested all of them and they were amazing. Peace and Love. This one, this works really well in both cold process and melt and pour, and I actually use this in a melt and pour soap and it sells really, really well, but it smells really good also in cold process, behaves really well. Black Raspberry Vanilla. This one is very well behaved. Oh, that smells good. Nice sturdy packaging, no issues. Okay, and these are all actually ones that I have ordered that I did test. So the ones that I ordered, I know that they behave well in cold process because I went through that list of the ones that I had tested and then I reordered just a selection of them that I thought I could use here in the next year or so. Island Oasis. This one It doesn't smell super tropical. It's not like a tropical scent. It's a very clean, it's a soap smell. It smells like soap. It smells really good and very clean. Eighth and Ocean, this is a great, this one is an oceany scent. This one has definitely the ocean waves and sea salt, not like a tropical beachy one, but if you think of like a tropical vacation, it's not that. This is more of like an ocean and sea salt, that kind of smell. It smells really good. This one I really like to use in mermaid soaps. Avalon, this one is really, really nice. This one is kind of a little bit of a floral apple, in my opinion. I think it smells a lot better in the actual product, which I know sometimes when people buy fragrances, the out of the bottle scent can be misleading because then once you make soap out of it, it really blossoms, and this is one of those. So this one, it smells amazing in the final product. And that's something too with when I'm making things, as I do make other things, if something smells amazing out of the bottle, sometimes I'll keep it to use for those products that don't go through that chemical reaction and change the scent. But then there's those ones, it's like, okay, you have to try it. Don't just judge the book by its cover. You have to try it in those products. Comfort and Joy, this one, oh, this one's so good. Oh, this is Christmas in a bottle. This one is one that I will probably just use for home use because it smells so amazing. Now, Comfort and Joy, I tried this in both the melt and pour and cold process. With melt and pour and out of the bottle, it smells more like mulled cider, like the spices, cinnamon and nutmeg, cloves, really warm and comforting, just like walking into, it's like Christmas. It's amazing. It's not like an evergreen scent, not that at all. But if you've ever had mulled cider, which we always make over the holidays, it's cider and you've got apples and you've got the mulling spices and stuff, it smells just like that. Now, if you make it into cold process, it smells more of the apple versus out of the bottle. So this is the haul that I got. I'm super excited to use these again and then try out the new ones. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Nurture Soap has great products. They also offer free shipping over, I don't remember if it's $30 or $35, but nowadays it's really important to take advantage of that. So hope you guys enjoy it.